guys, welcome back to another gaming video. It's been a while, I know, but welcome back to another gaming video. And today we're playing Escape Crazy Cat Lady Obby. And I was just scrolling around Roblox until I found. Around until I found this game. So let's give it a try. Alright. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to give the channel some support. Okay, normal mode. Requires one more, whatever that was. With this lasagna, I'll be able to lure Garfield. It's perfect. Something smells delicious. Is that what I think it is? Lasagna. I'm sure they won't mind if I take that. I didn't know Garfield was this. Whoa! This is why I hate Mondays. I finally caught you. You belong to me now. Does that mean those lasagna? Listen, cat lady, I need to get back home to John, and I want my lasagna. Don't worry. You'll learn to love it here, like that weird-looking cat over there. That's me. You calling me a cat, huh? Huh? Gonna go at me. It's time for Mama's nap. You're not my mum, bro. Get out. Huh. I guess she forgot to lock the cages. Hello. Are you sure you're a cat and not like a dog or something? She kind of has a point. You're a weird-looking cat. I'm not a cat. Listen, we need to work together if we are going to escape. What do you say, pal? Are you with me? Yeah. I will meet you outside. Look for a key to escape this basement. Yeah, let's escape. Oh, no, I don't. Okay. This is going to be fun. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a cat person. I'm a dog person. Get out of here, you cat. Okay. Alright, let's unlock this door. Sleeping Beauty. Checkpoint reached. Why are there so many mouse traps? Because apparently this is like cat lady. This is cat lady, not mouse lady. Alright, another checkpoint reached. What the hell is that? Should I go I think I'm supposed to go down here. Let's go. Oh, it's a dead end. Forget that. Right, so all the brown bits were like gonna kill you, but no. Right, let's go. Okay, oh, sorry, girl. What? I thought the ice was gonna kill you, even if that is ice. I'm a bit rusty because I haven't been doing gaming videos in a while because I posted on my community page this suit I made and I don't know what to name it, so let me know what I should name it and if you want it to be in the 300 subscriber special, which I'm working on, and I think by the time it's finished it'll be around when I hit 400 subscribers. I know this hard playing games one-handed, so I've got to be careful. What is this woman doing? There's so many mouse traps everywhere. Dude. I bet she must wake up, start walking. Ow. Hello. Where do you think you're going, even though you're a weird-looking cat? Checkpoint reached. Okay, you are crazy. She's literally watching me everywhere I go. Anyways, let's go. Whoa, what was that sound? Anyways, as I'm doing this, I want to announce something which I will post on my community page. If you haven't made it this far and if you've quit halfway through this video. But Okay, just forget that now. You can read it if you want, but I've got this new goal about hitting 100 subscribers. And I'm always going, oh, I should get this by the end of the year. Oh, I should get this by the end of the year, but I don't feel like it though. So, I don't know if it should be by the end of November. So yeah, I'll think about it. Because the thing is, I've got 348 subscribers. This will be hard, but by completing my first goal at the start of this channel, I can complete this one. Okay, crossy road here, but I'm a pro. I'm a pro. I will never get caught. This is going to be a pro gamer moment. We don't talk about that. Let's go. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Look at that bar. I'm not even halfway through this game. Actually, this game will take a while. We can't go any further. We need to turn off the generator to clear the path. Alrighty. Okay, I've got a plan. When the wrecking ball goes past me, I'm making a run for it. Okay, it's gone past, go. Finally, I'm somewhere. Yeah. I don't really know what to say. Right, let's go. Because I normally do these videos unscripted, so like I don't have a script or anything, I just go for it. Because I've never done a video with like a script or something. So normally like halfway through a video I'm just dead set silent. Sorry if my phone keeps going like this all over the camera. If you look over there, you can see John's house. Damn. We'll be safe once we reach there. Okay, I assume we're getting close. Huh? Evil laughter. Looks like this cat lady isn't the only thing we have to look out for. Right, we just gotta be careful not to fall off the edge. Or I just saw that girl die right in front of my face, so I gotta be careful. Right, off we go. What are you looking at us for? Come here, you stray. Come here, you. No stray animals in the city. Nah, I ain't going nowhere near you. Okay, we're nearly halfway through. We're doing good. Let's get a selfie with him. Right, we're back. Bye-bye, crazy man. Okay. Oh my gosh, he's back. Bruh. Alright. Let's keep going. Bro, what are these walks? Dude. Dude, I've never died like this. This is crazy. Alright, we're good. We're good. What? The puppy pound. I will not let you escape. Oh, this is going to be a boss fight. Bring it on, buddy. You're a weird looking dog. I'm not a dog. Hurry, grab a pie so we can defeat him. Okay. You, Larry. Okay, right, let's go. Let's go beat this guy. Ow. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Do I just charge him? Oh, you throw pies. I'm just gonna be careful. Dude, just gonna be careful. Oh, I think I know what to do. As long as I'm careful, I can like keep throwing at him. But I've got negative aim. Right, let's go. Come on, we're doing it. He's got low health. Let's keep going. I wonder if this is the end, because this is a boss fight. Normally boss fights are at the end, unlike Barry's prison one. I don't know if I've played it or not. I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have. I'm pretty sure I found a video about it. But anyways, let's kick this guy. How dare you mess with me and my subscribers? Ugh. Yeah, chicken bug. Let's get out of here before the other ones arrive. Alright. What? We're not even halfway through. Would you like to purchase Skip? No. What is this? Oh no, I've just realised what this could be. It's a quiz about Garfield. I don't know anything about Garfield. He did say something about John, so maybe I should go there. I'm just going to tell the dudes playing this. I know nothing about Garfield. I know nothing about Garfield. Right, let's go. Yep. Right. What is Garfield's favorite food? Lasagna. Because there's like lasagna everywhere. What week does Garfield dislike the most? He said at the start, Mondays. Oh my gosh, this game's giving us clues and everything. I threw away the spare key. Oh no. Bruh! The dump. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go in there. I think we can find the key to unlock the door here. Right. Let's go. Why don't you leave? Probably find lasagna there. I'm not that kind of type of guy. You just find stuff out of the dump. I don't go dumpster diving. Anyways, let's go. Yes, finally, look at the bar. We're halfway through. Nearly there. What? What? Right. It's one of these dropper things. Right, let's give it a go. And we made it. First try. Definitely first try. Right, let's go. Whoa. Food and veg. What this one? Okay, let's keep going. Past these mouse traps. I don't know why these should be for cats. Alright, let's keep going. And we made it. Oh, almost. Yep, checkpoint. Let's go. I love these checkpoints. It would be hell when there's no checkpoints in games. But, yeah. Here's the exit. Perfect. Let's go. What? Bruh. Okay. These are hands of this crazy lady. Since when did they get so big? Okay. Let's do what? Oh, so like trampolines you have to jump on. This is so much. I like this game. Oh, yeah. I don't like it. I don't like games like this. I keep failing. This is annoying. I'm gonna just rage in chat. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I think I know what to do. Get close, nearly on the edge of the hand. Boom, baby! Sometimes you just gotta let out that anger. Whoa. Okay, nearly there. Oh, I reached the checkpoint, so if I just die, then I'll be fine. See? And I'm back at the checkpoint. Perfect. Do you jump in the window? No. This is crazy. Alright. Day. I just looked at the bar. We're nearly at the end. Finally. Heaven. Heaven. Alright. Let's go. Alright, let's walk on. Boom, baby. Yeah. Sorry about that. Why do I keep dying? I swear. I started my YouTube channel. I was good. At some point. I'm just gonna pretend to vibe to this music. Alright, that's enough vibing. Let's go! Okay, we're nearly at the end. Perfect. We're nearly there. This video is going by like this. When I move my hand like this, right? I normally control it with one hand, which is very hard. So I'm gonna be careful. Pizza! Nobody is around. What if we just say we take a little bite? Yeah, I like my pizza. Oh, it's so good. I don't feel too great. Oh, Garfield? Me! No! What's going on? Checkpoint reached. Oh, Garfield's looking. Oh no, we ate too much. Now we're in a food coma. Looks like I need to get down there and wake Garfield up. Alright, let's go. We're jumping on food. So much food, bro. This is enough. This is way too much for me. Seems maybe after the food coma bit we're there. Because look, if you look at the bar, we're literally right at the end. So let's go. There's Garfield down there. Right, spaghetti and meatballs. Let's go. Jump. Oh, I thought I was going to die if I landed on that, but no. Okay, this one seems faster. This one I'm allowed to jump on. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, if we're going to say, thank you guys so much for 348 subscribers. Our channel is growing so much, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you guys who enjoy watching my videos, and don't mind me as I rage. Oh my gosh, the game. No! Anyways, thank you guys so much for 348 subscribers. Anyways, yeah. So thank you to those guys who enjoy watching my videos and give them a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and even to the people who aren't subscribed or watching my videos, but I would 100% appreciate it. Where am I? Oh no, we're back where we started. Yawn. Looks like we got recaptured while we were asleep. Luckily, she forgot to lock the cages again. Let's get out of here. Dude, we have to start this whole thing all over. And I'm trying to say thank you to my lovely subscribers. Okay, I just gotta be careful. Let's go. Oh. Phew, I made it. Perfect. Hang on. Her? Let's kill her. How dare you hit me? Die. Come on. Die. Get down. Get in jail, boy. I mean, woman. You really think I will let you two escape again? Let us go. You belong to me. Now it's time to be a good kitty and go back to your cages. Wait, that wasn't it? No, bro. Sucks. I'm ready. Let's die. Get down. Oh boy. Wait, that did no damage. Let's go. Get her. I'm doing it. Yeah, this is the easiest boss fight ever. Ah! The lasers. Right. Jump. Careful. This is like the easiest boss fight. Yes, that's what I thought. That's what you get for capturing me. And my subs. Let's go. Darn you, Garfield, and that other weird cat. For the last time, I'm not a cat. Look, she's speaking gibberish. Now, all we gotta do is make it back to John's house. There's the keys to the car. Hey, you wouldn't know how to drive a car, would you? I don't happen to know how to drive a car. Of course, I know how to drive a car. Surely this isn't a terrible idea. You know what you're doing, right? Nope. I hope this works. Boom. I'm in Mim's car. Boom, boom. Yeah, we made it back. We're gonna feed lasagna. I'm glad we got some meat, pal. Let's go inside. Yeah! Yes! We finally beat the game. That was like the longest game I've played. Wow, this is amazing. Yes! Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to give the channel some support. And for always, let's enter backflip. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. See you all later. Bye-bye. Alright. Bye.